Remove the O-rings and frontal gasket from the sealing cover. Push out the stationary ring manually. Clean the oil collection chamber, sealing cover, sealing plate, and groove of the radial gasket ring. Moisten the new stationary ring with the mounted O-ring using clean refrigeration compressor oil. Then push it manually into the sealing cover. Place the new O-rings into the grooves on the sealing cover and the oil collection chamber. Place the radial gasket ring into the groove on the shaft. Lay the new O-ring into the recess of the sealing plate and then push it onto the shaft. The O-ring must point towards the shaft and, in order to ensure better assembly, must not be oiled. Position the sealing plate so that the oil hole is on top. Lubricate the new sliding ring internally with clean refrigeration compressor oil. Then push it onto the shaft. Guide the sliding ring up to the shaft shoulder without touching the sliding surface. Insert set screws and tighten with a torque of 2.5 Newton meters. Moisten the sealing surfaces of the sliding ring and the O-ring sufficiently with clean refrigeration compressor oil. When mounting the sealing cover, make sure that the exit hole for the oil is located at the 1 o'clock position. Tighten with a torque of 25 Newton meters. Plug the oil collection chamber onto the sealing cover and tighten the bolts. Make sure the position of the oil drain tube is correct. Tighten with a torque of 4 Newton meters. For compressors without an oil collection chamber, mount the new felt ring and the bandage. Rotate the compressor shaft several times manually to lubricate the shaft seal.